Hey everyone, welcome to the GandG Productions YouTube channel. If you are a part of a small to medium-sized church sound ministry and the sound booth feels like the most stressful seat in the building, you are in the right place. Yes, you're in the right place. A lot of churches rely on volunteers to run sound on Sunday mornings. Good people like yourself with big hearts, but little to no training. And that can lead to confusion, microphone feedback, low volume, hot mics, and last-minute panic. Our mission here is simple. We want to train volunteers to run sound stress-free, without confusion, and with real confidence on Sunday mornings. We're going to break things down in plain language on this channel. We want to break down how to set gain the right way, how to get vocals clear, how to stop feedback fast, sound check routines that occur, actually work, and what to do when something goes wrong mid-service. Yes, that's what we want to do on this channel. So whether you're a brand new volunteer, a worship leader, or pastor trying to build a strong tech team, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos that we might be posting. Drop a comment and tell us what sound problems you're dealing with right now. We'll make a video just for you. Welcome to GandG Productions. Let's make church sound simple.